Welcome to Home of Math. Exponential equation. We are starting third part. In this part, we will start from number I. 1 and 2 we already complete. A to H. Which one you will get in the description box. Now let's start. Number I. Here is 27 to the power x times 9 to the power x minus 2 equals to 1. So 27 and 9 has a relation. 27 we can write 3 cube and to the power x times 9 we can write 3 square to the power x minus 2. Look, here base are 3. Okay, in this case this one we can write 3 to the power 0. Okay, why? Because we know a to the power 0 equals to 1. This one we can write 3 to the power 3x times this one we can write 3 to the power 2x minus 4 and this one 3 to the power 0. Okay, this one we can make a side note like a to the power b to the power c, we can write a to the power bc. Okay, then 3 and 3, this one we can write 3 to the power 3x plus 2x minus 4 and here is 3 to the power 0. Why we write this one? Because a to the power m times a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. Okay, now here base are same, so both side same base, therefore we can write power are equal. Easy, it's a simple thing. So 3x plus 2x it will be 5x and minus 4 equals to 0. Then 5x equals to 4 because minus 4 once we transfer it will become plus 4. So our answer is x equals to 4 divide 5. Very easy. Number J. 2 to the power t plus 2 to the power t plus 2 equals to 40. So here what can we do? Here is a plus sign, that's why we cannot add power. Base are same, it's true, but here is plus sign. So we can write this one like this, 2 to the power t plus 2 to the power t times 2 square. Okay, and here is 40. Why we write this one? Because we know a to the power m plus n equals to a to the power m times a to the power n. Now we can take common 2 to the power t. So here is 1 and here is 2 square means 4 equals to 40. Now 2 to the power t times 5 equals to 40. 2 to the power t, if we divide both sides by 5, then 5 out, 40 will become 8. Then 2 to the power t, this 8 become 2 to the power 3. And here we can write one thing, divide both sides by 5. Okay, and here 2 to the power t equals to 2 to the power 3. So our answer is, or t equals to 3, because base are same, that time power will be equal. Theory is a to the power m equals to a to the power n, then m equals to n. So number J done. Number K. Here is two expression. First one 7 to the power x minus 49 and then 3 to the power x minus 27. Here is not 2 to the power 7, here is 27. equals to 0. So this one we can write either 7 to the power x minus 49 equals to 0. Then we can write 7 to the power x equals to 49. Then we can write 7 to the power x equals to 7 square, because we know 7 square means 49. Then base are same, so x equals to 2. This is a one thing. Or 3 to the power x minus 27 equals to 0. Then 3 to the power x equals to 27, minus 27 become plus 27. Then 3 to the power x equals to 27 means 3 cube. So base are same, power will be equal, it means x equals to 3. So our answer x equals to 2 or 3. Number L also same math like K. Here is two expression. First one 2 times 2 to the power x minus 16, and second one 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 9 equals to 0. This one we also write either 2 times 2 to the power x minus 16 equals to 0. Then 2 times 2 to the power x we can write minus 16 plus 16. If we divide both sides by 2, it will become 2 to the power x equals to 8. Then 2 to the power x equals to 8 means 2 to the power 3. Then base are same, so x equals to 3. This is the one answer. Or 3 to the power x plus 1 minus 9 equals to 0. Then 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to minus 9 will become plus 9. Then 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to 9 means 3 square. Then base are same, so x plus 1 equals to 2 and x equals to 2 minus 1. This plus 1 become minus 1. So x equals to 2 minus 1 means 1. So our answer is x equals to 1 or 3. Okay, so after complete this math we have to finish this video. So this chapter exponential equations we already complete 12 math. So all math you will get in the playlist, and description box you will get previous two video. Thank you very much being with me. If you think this video is very important for you or at least okay for you, you can like me, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.